tutorial number 3. In last tutorial, we already see some basic concept of the Jdbc programming. Now today we're gonna see the how to use the switch case in a Jdbc programming. So now let's start with our Jdbc programming. Create new project, that is Java project. Our project name is tutorial 2. Add an external jar file, that is our Mysql database connector, and finish. Here the reference variables are joined, that is Mysql database connector. Now create new class, that is our Jdbc. Main method, click here and finish it. Here is our basic class of the Jdbc. So now start with our simple Jdbc programming. That is our first statement, class dot foreign com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. It throw an exception, so just surround with try catch. Next statement, connection equal to that is SQL plus driver manager dot get connection. And the first argument is path to the database, Jdbc colon mysql colon double slash IP address, that is I'm using here in localhost, so it is a localhost. Port number, that is 3306, it is the default port number of the MySQL. And then final employee, that is our name of our database. Then second parameter, our username of the database, sorry MySQL database, that is our, here I having root and the password is root123. Here the connection statement throw an again exception, so just import the connections from java.sql and just add catch clause to the surrounding track. That's it. Now our connection is established, so just write down the print statement. This is, let's make some line space so it will look good. So our next interface, that is statement. Reference of the connection, that is create statement. Now we need to use the switch case programming. So for that we make one do while loop. Here the error, just first remove this error, import the statement from java.sql. just we are using the do while loop, so type do and here while. So just make the structure. Okay. Now in that do while loop we write our switch case program. So just type simple print statements. Whatever you menu you want to create, I'm creating here Jdbc programming menu. In the second line, the first one is insert values. The second one is delete values. The third one is display values. This is our just menu, so just take a choice from the user. For that we are having enter your choice. So here we want to take the choice from the user, so we are use the scanner method. So in a main method just type scanner 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 dot new scanner and system dot in. So we just want to import this import scanner. It is a java.util package. So import it. Just here is capital S, not a small s. Now we are taking the choice. So it is int choice, or instead of this we just declare our choice here as int choice. So it will create not problem. Int sorry choice equal to scanner dot next int. It is a next int method. Here int is for integer value and for string value it is only next, and here we take the input from the user. Now we are using switch. This choice, open the curly bracket. Here we are writing the different cases. It is our case 1, st dot execute update. Write a SQL query here. insert into table name. That is our table name is emp info value, that is 009. It's Akash. It is the name. And salary, that is 40,000. So just, sorry, double quotes here. So this is our insert query, and just break it. Or you can just add your one more print statement here, that is successful. Successfully inserted. So break, just create one more case, case 2. I'm just copy paste from the here. Just it is a case 2. Here our delete query, that is delete from emp info, where emp id equal to 009. This is our employee id, employee name, and employee salary. So this is our delete query. So just here I'm writing deleted. Similarly for case 3, here we are changing our, that is our, we are adding one more interface, that is our result set. That is result set, create one reference rs equal to st.execute update. So no need to this statement. Just write down here your select query, that is select star from emp info. So we are using one while loop here. So while, we already discussed about this in our tutorial number 2, so you can check it. Rs dot next rs dot get string volume index 2, and rs dot get integer, that is our salary, this 3. This statement is to just display the value from the table on Eclipse IDE. Here we are displaying all. So just it show error here. So just click on it. Just int rs. This is not a problem. So here is one mistake. So instead of execute update, write execute query. So it's because when you are using any select statements or creating database statements, always go for the execute query. Instead, you can go for the execute update if you want to insert, modify, and delete the values. So just here our three cases are ready. So just I'm writing choice means not equal to 3, sorry 4. So you can just add one more case for that is for exit. So here is our switch case programming. You can check it one more time. And at the last you just need to close the connection, that is con dot close. So you can see that here is our Jdbc. Let's open our MySQL interface. My password is root123. Here is my employee database and employee input table. Here is data. So here is all the values, 7 values. So I'm just inserting, deleting, and displaying all the values. So just execute it. Right click, run as Java application. Here it's showing an exception. So just correct it. Here is com.mysql.jdbc. I'm so sorry. Driver. So this is modify statement. So again run as Java application. Here is our connection established. You can control your database. Just insert the value 1, successfully inserted. Then our let's check it. ADSQL, refresh it. Here the value is inserted 9, Akash, and 40,000. So second statement. Second, yes, successfully deleted. So let's check it whether it is deleted or not. Refresh it. Yes, it is deleted. And our third statement is display all the value. So it show all the value from the database. And if you enter 4, the program is exited. That's it. This is a program of switch case for Jdbc to the MySQL. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.